Another question we get asked is, how often should I replace my filter? And that's actually going to be based on usage and what type of filter you have. So if you have a really basic, cheap filter and you use the system a lot, you probably are going to wind up replacing that filter every 30 days. If you've got a really nice filter and you use the system very little, you might replace it once a year. So it's very hard to just straight up answer that question because each system is going to work differently for each homeowner. Most of the time we're replacing filters every 60 to 90 days because it's pretty rare that people are going to use the cheap 30-day 99-cent filters, but it's also pretty rare that people are going to use the really expensive $30 filter that lasts you 90 days. But the long and the short of it is the filter on the side says how often it should be replaced, and you should keep up with that because you don't want to choke the system off and starve it for air because it could cause catastrophic failure or damage to the equipment or leave you with a breakdown where you don't have heating and cooling.